Hey guys, this is Kris again, Realty One Group MVP. Just wanted to touch base with you. If you're looking to buy a house in the next 9 or 90 days, just wanted to share with you some of the stuff that's out there. You know, me being a local firefighter and helping people for many years and working for multiple departments up north and also down here, you know, I enjoy helping people. And I got into the industry, in the real estate industry, because also it's another rewarding job. It's helping people make one of the best financial decisions in their life, and also helping them go after some of the incentives to help them save excessively on those purchases. You know, when you get an opportunity to save somebody anywhere from 10, 20, 50, up to $100,000 on a purchase, and get them low interest rates from anywhere from like a 0.99, you know, under a 3.99 interest rate in this market when the interest rates are super high, you know, there's abilities that's going to save them longevity. So when you have the ability to go into somebody and they're making one of the biggest financial moves in their life, you know, buying their first home, buying their second home, maybe buying an investment property, and you have programs out there to help them save excessively, it's a game changer, you know, because most people are right on that fence, and these programs are unheard of right now. We got programs that are zero out of pocket to get into a property. You pay $1,000 down, and then you get that money back at closing. We got another program that's doing a 0.99 for your first year, 1.99 for your second year, 2.99 for your third year, locking in on your fourth year for a 3.99 30-year fixed. We got another program with covering some of your closing costs, giving you a 3.89, 4% to your closing costs. You know, so there's so many programs out there. So if you're looking to purchase a property in the next 9 or 90 days, you're wanting to save excessively, you're looking for an agent to use, even if you don't use me, you know, reach out to me for some information. Maybe I can help you or a family member, and maybe we can build a relationship, and you might use me in the future once you see the value. You know, I'm not only just a realtor. Our team holds a GC license, a roofing license, a pool license, you know, with our team, and we're able to navigate certain scenarios. So say you have a property that's under contract, and maybe it needs a roof repair, maybe it needs an AC repair, maybe it needs some flooring, painting, maybe you need some handyman stuff. Well, we have those relationships, and you'll get them at my cost. So not only am I going to save you on your purchase, I'm going to save you on all the mild repairs you're going to have through the life of you owning that property. My relationship does not end once you purchase a property with me. You can keep my number, store it as your informational specialist, and when you need something, you need a contact, you need an AC, you need a roof, you need a pool, you need painting, you need tile, you need walls built, whatever might arise. You need electrical work done. You need pest control, plumbing work done. You want to add something, a mini split to the garage. Reach out to me. My relationship doesn't stop, and I'll still honor those contacts at my cost because I use these guys on a regular basis. So you'd get my cost, and then in the future, we have that relationship continued. So whenever you buy and sell continuously throughout your lifetime, you have me already there, and you have all my contacts. It's like having your one-stop shop realtor/builder in your pocket. You know, so whatever you might need, maybe good restaurants, want to know about parks, reach out to me. Call me, and I'll let you know some information. And if I'm not familiar with it, I'll reach out to somebody that is. So with these programs that are out there, if you're looking to buy in the next 9 or 90 days, and you want to know something about some resources, want to know information about a property, give me a call. This is Kris, your information specialist, your realtor savings specialist. Click that link below. Go on my page and like my story and let me know if there's anything else I can do to help. But if you have any questions, pick that phone up, give me a call, or shoot me a text message. You know, my number is displayed. That is my cell phone number. I am always available. If I'm tied up, I will give you a call back. But feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Kris, Realty One Group MVP, 239-898-3413, your local savings specialist. Have a blessed day.